Creating a powerful and professional business account on LinkedIn is a great way to enhance your brand's visibility and connect with potential clients or business partners. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Sign up on LinkedIn. Visit the LinkedIn website, www.linkedin.com, and click on the Join Now button to create an account. Make sure to select the Create a Company Page option during the sign-up process. 2. Provide company details. Fill in all the necessary information about your business, including the name, industry, company size, and location. Add a compelling and concise description of your business, highlighting your unique value proposition. 3. Choose a professional profile picture and cover photo. Select a high-quality logo or professional image that represents your brand as the profile picture. Additionally, choose a visually appealing cover photo that aligns with your company's values or showcases your products, services. 4. Optimize your headline and About section. Craft a concise and attention-grabbing headline that describes your business effectively. In the About section, provide a detailed overview of your company, mission, values, and key offerings. Use relevant keywords for improved visibility in LinkedIn searches. 5. Add company specialties and contact information. List your company's specialties, which are essentially keywords or phrases that describe your business's core competencies. Also, include accurate contact information, such as email, phone number, and website URL, to make it easy for potential customers to reach you. 6. Share engaging content. Regularly post relevant and valuable content on your company's LinkedIn page to establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Share industry insights, company updates, blog articles, or multimedia content that resonates with your target audience. 7. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and connection requests promptly. Engaging with your audience fosters meaningful relationships and demonstrates your commitment to customer service. 8. Build and expand your network. Connect with industry professionals, clients, suppliers, and other stakeholders relevant to your business. Actively seek networking opportunities, join LinkedIn groups, and participate in discussions to grow your network and establish connections. 9. Utilize LinkedIn features. Take advantage of LinkedIn's features, such as showcase pages, for highlighting specific product lines or services, and the career page, for attracting top talent. Leverage the platform's analytics to measure the performance of your content and refine your strategy. 10. Leverage LinkedIn advertising. Consider using LinkedIn advertising to amplify your reach and target specific audiences. Sponsored content, in-mail campaigns, and LinkedIn ads can help increase your brand's visibility and generate leads. Remember, maintaining a consistent presence, sharing valuable content, and engaging with your network are crucial for leveraging LinkedIn to its full potential.